watch the theater.
No, you play with your toys. You watch too much tablet. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say hi, Faves. Say hi, Faves. Say hi, Faves. Say hi, Faves. Say, you have to say hi to Faves first.
Hi, Faves.
Tell them what you're doing. You show Faves all your gifts that you bought yesterday?
Yeah.
Under the tree for Christmas?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm going to put it in my hand.
Hi guys, you guys. I have been up. Well, we all have been up. It is afternoon right now. And I've been trying to find the strength to get some stuff done around here. But I got some stuff done. I still have my hair to wash. I washed the bathroom, which I really needed to get done, so I'm happy that I get that done. But I need to wash my hair and fly high, fly low. It's getting done today. Okay, it's getting done today. Baby's in the kitchen making some food because I am hungry, so he's making rice and fish. He just put fish in. You take the star off the tree for Faves?
Yeah.
Why you take the star off the tree? Go put it back.
Because I'm sure them.
You want to show them?
Yeah.
Okay, show them and then put it back. Wow, that's a pretty star for a pretty boy. Honey, you want to say hi to Fizz? Honey?
Papa!
Hi guys.
Tell them what you've been up to.
What I've been up to? I've
Yeah.
been cooking.
What you were doing before your cooking. Papa talking to Fizz. After Papa, then you talk, okay?
Well, so today I'm just trying to find a little motivation to continue the project of the renovation. So we have one thing that we want to do is to put a furniture in the back of the house. So there's one thing that I have to unmade and carry to the bin and different things. So yeah, that's my part for today. I don't know if I will finish it, but yes, I will finish it. Motivation.
You better finish it. We have so much stuff to do around here. You want to play Gilly Gilly? Alright. Gilly Gilly, here I come. Gilly Gilly. Gilly Gilly in French is tickle. So he want me to tickle him. La 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 la. Gilly 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 Gilly. What boy, you have a nap today? You have to take a nap today?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
When did you nap? Huh? You have a nap today. You have a nap today. Yeah. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are having a good day and is enjoying our little stay in day. It doesn't look beautiful outside at all. I'm sure it's gonna rain anyway. Look at this. Look at this kid. You have lots of energy today?
Yes.
Yes? How is your nose feeling? You gonna run the back?
What I got to do? My son.
He already know what's in all of his gifts because we bought them with him, so he's telling you guys what he got for Christmas. Leave it. He wants to open them already, but we said no, you gotta wait until Christmas. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day and enjoy our little staying vlog. We're not doing much, so we're just showing you guys what we're doing along the day. Stop the shouting.
Because I said,
I just say it to stop me. We're trying to get over this cold. We're drinking as much honey and as much lemon as possible. Look at this little monster. Who made that sound?
Is there?
Wow. Wow. You're gonna fall next time. Right on your head and go to the hospital. Get down. So we're just sending you guys so much love as you guys are sending us so much love and we're receiving them all. We love you guys. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and your girl is only trying to get over this cold. I am trying to, I think I'm going to take Tyler home from school tomorrow because he's really not feeling well. In the night, he doesn't sleep well. He sleeps with me all night and he cries and he whines and he's just not doing well. So
at school, I'm asleep. And then you to go, yes, Mama.
yes.
I'm going in the sleep.
You cry and sleep at school? You cry and sleep at time? Look where his hand is. He say he cry at school and sleep because his nose, when he can't breathe properly when he's sleeping, is just hilarious. Babe just told me that he liked my hairstyle because my hair is like this. But my hair is gonna get washed and combed today for sure. So I'm giving you guys pure realness, okay? The real deal you guys getting today with my little monster with her 6 self. Alright, you can show your eyes here. Just show them in the pot. Here. No, just use the camera. Just put it over the pot. Alright, now you can just put it in a plate and give me another. You guys, babe make food for me and now I'm going to try and eat fish and rice.
Elle se prépare pour l'hiver en entassant des brindilles et des feuilles. Cela fait un lit bien douillet. Bonne nuit les coccinelles. La famille grenouille se prépare pour l'hiver en alignant de grandes feuilles de nénuphar. Tout le monde peut dormir.
Notification shout out.
Notification shout out to go to
Hyacinth right.
Hyacinth
Right. And
Flo
F Travels.
Flo F Travels.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Good button for guys.
Till them night night.
Not that guys.
Where are we going now? To bed.
No, not to bed. To sleeper.
To where?
Sleeper.
Sleeper. What is that?
To get out the wood. No.
All right, get up on your bed. You're gonna fall. Get down. Go. Go.